The biggest distinction between AFL and other law firms is our perspective. Other law firms oftentimes just turn around and respect the divorce decree as being something that is a piece of paper with a judge's signature that outlines the resolution of certain issues, and then you're just going to have that as a resolution to those particular concerns, be it parenting time, child support, spousal maintenance, custody, whatever. The way that we end up seeing this is that that divorce decree or a custody decree can serve as a springboard for you. We wanted to turn around and outline the rules and responsibilities, almost serve like a playbook for how things are to be governed and regulated moving forward, just interpersonally between you and your ex-spouse or the other parent, and what needs to happen. Ideally, being able to alleviate a bunch of headaches for the years to come. But because you're able to use it like a practical playbook as opposed to just something that gets filed away in a drawer, it can turn around and be something that you use as an asset to kind of spring your life forward, to start turning around and making the joy and happiness and contentness that you want for your children and your family going forward after this period of litigation and legal stuff. Ideally, making that life that you really want for yourself.